Pump Products is a stocking AMT pump and parts distributor. Have you been looking for a quality pump to fit your application? Manufacturing some of the most reliable pumps in the industry, AMT Pump Company assures the highest quality. With every pump component machined, assembled, and tested at their Pennsylvania facility, AMT's unique designs, along with their patented products, have made them the industry leader. Pump Products offers a wide variety of AMT pumps for sale, including centrifugal pumps, chemical-resistant pumps, marine pumps, shredder pumps, sump pumps, trash pumps. We also stock a full line of AMT pump parts. Browse our AMT pump catalog where you'll find the most important and up-to-date information on AMT products, including AMT pump curves, specifications, model numbers, part numbers, brochures, instruction manuals, and product images. Pump Products is a leading AMT online pump dealer servicing customers nationwide. Our online store and huge inventory levels allow you to buy AMT pumps direct from us and have them delivered to your doorstep. Inspector Pumphead and his team of application engineers are standing by to answer questions regarding pump and pump part selections and can assist in pump sizing, troubleshooting, and other pump-related issues. Need it now? We offer fast shipping, with most orders being processed and shipped the same day at the lowest prices anywhere. Pump Products, your direct connection to AMT pumps and parts. Visit us at pumpproducts.com or call our toll-free number today, 1-800-429-0800.